Canada, the standard color code for 120 volts alternating current wiring is as follows. Black indicates the hot or live wire. White indicates the neutral wire. Green or bare copper indicates the ground wire. However, it is possible to encounter different color combinations, especially in older installations or special purpose wiring. Older wiring in Canada might use a different color code where red is hot, black is neutral, and green or bare copper is ground. Certain applications, such as three-phase systems, may also use non-standard color codes. Another possibility is that a previous person may have mistakenly used incorrect color codes during installation. It is crucial to exercise caution when dealing with electrical wiring, as any deviation from the standard color code can be dangerous. Before handling any electrical wiring, always verify the correct colors using a voltage tester or consult with a qualified electrician. This ensures safety and prevents potential electrical hazards. Always remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always better to be safe than sorry. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, please call a qualified electrician. Electricity follows a very specific set of principles. It is imperative to follow these principles closely. Electricity always seeks to return to its source. This creates a circuit. If the electricity cannot return to its source, the circuit is incomplete. In order for a device to work, it must have a complete circuit. This means that the electricity must be able to flow from the source to the device and back to the source. If the circuit is broken at any point, the device will not work. When you touch a live wire, the electricity will try to return to its source through you. This can cause serious injury or death. That is why it is so important to be careful when working with electricity. Always make sure that the power is turned off before you start working on any electrical wiring. And always use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off. Also, always make sure that you are wearing the proper safety gear, such as rubber gloves and safety glasses. If you are not sure how to do something, please call a qualified electrician. Firstly, always turn off the power before working on any electrical circuit. This is the most important safety precaution you can take. Secondly, use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off. Do not rely on the breaker switch to tell you that the power is off. Thirdly, wear rubber gloves and safety glasses when working on electrical circuits. Rubber gloves will protect you from electric shock, and safety glasses will protect your eyes from flying debris. Fourthly, never work on electrical circuits when you are wet or standing in water. Water is a good conductor of electricity, so you are more likely to get shocked if you are wet. Fifthly, never overload electrical circuits. Overloading a circuit can cause a fire. Sixthly, use the correct size wire for the circuit. Using the wrong size wire can also cause a fire. Seventhly, make sure that all electrical connections are tight. Loose connections can cause a fire. Eighthly, never splice wires together outside of an electrical box. Splicing wires outside of an electrical box is a fire hazard. Ninthly, never run extension cords under rugs or furniture. Extension cords can overheat and cause a fire. 10thly, have your electrical system inspected by a qualified electrician on a regular basis. A qualified electrician can identify potential problems before they cause a fire. Remember to always follow the electrical code. The electrical code is a set of rules that are designed to protect people from electrical hazards.